Hello and welcome to our second bi-weekly WOW for this year. Last week we sent out the information about all of the international learning experiences which ISP are organising on a global scale. And this week we're going to be launching the first 3 of these with the virtual Buddy Exchange programme, which is a chance for our students to chat with other students around the world. The ISP Maths Challenge to compete with students across the globe in other ISP schools. And finally, the ISP Futures programme for all of our students who are interested in science projects. So check your emails this week for details of how to register for each of these exciting programmes. On Monday this week, I began the Lunch with the Director initiative once again, and I'm going to be having lunch with parents twice a week over this term. So if you're interested in signing up to try our dining experience, please do register. Currently the invitations are up to the end of October, but I'm going to be extending those out to the end of the term, so be ready to sign up. This week we're going to be sending out the invitations as well for our virtual coffee and chat sessions so that parents can give me their feedback firsthand about the start of the school year. I look forward very much to chatting with those of you that sign up and sharing ideas with you. And finally, I'm setting up the new school councils for the year so we can have a meeting and have a forum to gain immediate feedback from our students. And I know that they're going to be very lively meetings. And of course, take care and stay safe.